Amid the headwinds posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, the volatility in oil prices and uncertainties in the macroeconomic environment, the Islamic finance industry faces challenges to its development. Nevertheless, COVID-19 is also shifting the dynamics in the industry, and the outbreak may create new opportunities for Islamic finance market by accelerating trends such as socially responsible investing, sustainability, and digitalization. Welcome to another episode of Islamic Finance Daily Update. Today's edition focuses on Malaysia digital retail Sukuk for COVID-19 economic recovery and Nigeria's decision to resume international flights. We begin with the story that Malaysia's Ministry of Finance on Tuesday, August 18, issued the government first digital retail Sukuk as part of the National Economic Recovery Plan. The Sukuk target issuance is 500 million ringgit, that is $119.4 million, and has a tenure of 2 years with a profit rate of 2%, the ministry said in a statement. The commodity Muritala retail Sukuk will be allocated on a first-come, first-served basis to interested investors who must be Malaysians and at least 18 years old. It can be subscribed through digital payment channels, JohnPay and Due Now, both of which are accessible via mobile banking platforms of 27 participating banks. Maybank is the primary distribution bank for the Sukuk. The minimum subscription is 500 ringgit and there is no maximum limit, said the ministry. Also, the federal government of Nigeria has announced that its international flights will resume on August 29 in Lagos and Abuja International Airport. Minister of Aviation Hadi Sirika stated that flight operations would commence in and out of Muritala Muhammed International Airport, Lagos, and Nnamdi Azikwe International Airport, Abuja. Sirika also noted procedures to be observed by passengers will be announced in due course. He disclosed this on Monday in Abuja during the briefing by members of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19. Aside the test passengers will have to undergo before boarding flight into Nigeria, the minister stated that passengers will undergo another test 8 days after arrival. He said all evacuation flights introduced in the wake of the ban on international flights occasioned by the coronavirus pandemic will end on August 25, 2020. He said, "I am pleased to announce that international flights will be resumed from the 29th of August. It will start just like we did with domestic. It will start with Lagos and Abuja. The protocols and procedures will be announced in due course." On what is required of passengers, Sirika said, "Very close to your departure date, you will take a COVID-19 test where you are coming from, and then, of course, you will go online to fill the health questionnaire so that you don't bother yourself filling long forms while you arrive on the aircraft. There will also be a portal that will open prior to your departure. You will pay through the platform for the test to be done here in Nigeria after your arrival," he said. On VIPs who floated the airport protocols, the minister said the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority (NCAA) and Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria (FAAN) were still probing the case. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Join us tomorrow for another update. Thank you for watching and bye for now.